How to fix DeepSeek AI Signup not working. Let's get started. DeepSeek is currently experiencing issues with new user sign up due to large scale malicious attacks on their services. As a result, registration may be busy and new users are advised to wait and try again later. Existing users can log in as usual. Initially, DeepSeek restricted registration to users with mainland China mobile numbers to ensure continued service. Users can now sign up using Google, Apple ID, or email registration options on the web. So you can navigate to the platform of DeepSeek, click on Login, click on Create Account. Now go ahead and provide the credentials. Ensure the email address is valid. Likewise, in case a website is not working, what you can do is launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app DeepSeek. Once app appears, install it and then launch it. Now click on Sign Up. From here as well, you can sign up for a DeepSeek account. Provide these details, email, password, confirm your password, provide the code, agree with the terms and condition, and click on sign up. Please note that due to the ongoing situation, sign up processes may still experience delays or issues. It's advisable to monitor DeepSeek's official channels for latest updates and try the suggested workaround if you encounter problems during registration. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.